Hi guys, Tom Aldridge here. Welcome back to Not So Fun Facts. Today we're talking about wasps. Before we get into it, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We make content here every week. Wasps are a pest that we deal with at Suburban Pest Management regularly, and they can be very nasty creatures. Wasps are fast flyers and most active during the day. So early morning, late afternoon, or even at night is the best time to treat them, when they've congregated back at the nest. It's important to start by identifying the difference between a paper nest wasp and a mud nest wasp. While mud wasps can still sting, paper wasps are much more aggressive and the ones to be most careful of. Wasps may sting several times when they're disturbed or agitated, and the sting can be very painful. A sting on the tongue or mouth can be very serious due to swelling that may obstruct the airways. Let me tell you about my first encounter with wasps as a rookie technician. It was my first day as a qualified technician when I was checking some termite bait stations in the ground. When I stood up too close to the bush, I felt 4 wasps hit me across the face. It felt like I'd been kicked in the head. Once I'd recovered, I went back to the ute to grab some equipment and came back to level the score. Needless to say, it was a very memorable experience as my first day on the job. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you learned something new. Here at Suburban Pest Management, we deal with all types of pests, including wasps, on all sorts of properties, domestic and commercial. We would love to hear from you. To experience the SPM difference, give us a call or book online any time of the day. We look forward to hearing from you.